Understood. Hey, Andrew, it's been a lot of information, but great. So give us a brief summary of the real estate investment before we conclude. Just go over the main facts about it in today's market.
Yeah, so real estate, there is a huge shortage of housing in America. Depending on your source, it can be Redfin, the government, whatever source you want to look at, it's not like thousands of dollars short, thousands of homes short, or millions of homes short. Specifically affordable housing, like 5 million homes we need to house people in certain economic classes, right? So there is a big need, and it's really hard. I don't want this to discourage you, but I don't want to sugarcoat it so that when you do get in, you're like, oh man, this is really difficult. If you're okay with work and you're okay with being paid for your work, in this industry, the harder you work, the more you get paid. Some people don't dig that. Some people want to get paid the same no matter what work they do. Real estate is a pay for performance industry. The more you work, the more you get paid. There is plenty of need across the country, and just focus on single family homes, and that's a pretty stable environment for us to invest in. Trust me, I've been doing it for 20 years. It's paid off. It'll pay off for you too.
Awesome.